Hello there, Telegram users. In today's video, we have a full guide on how to create a contact in Telegram. Whether you want to stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues, this tutorial will show you the easy steps to add a new contact. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Telegram. Locate the Telegram app on your device's home screen or app drawer and tap on it to open the application. Make sure you have the latest version of Telegram installed for the best experience. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines. In the top left corner of the Telegram interface, you'll find 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to access the main menu and additional settings. Step 3. Tap on Contacts. Within the main menu, you'll see various options. Look for the Contacts option and tap on it. This will take you to the Contact Management section. Step 4. Tap on the plus icon. At the bottom right side of the screen, you'll find a plus icon. Tap on it to add a new contact. Step 5. Add information and create the contact. Enter the required information for the contact, such as the name and phone number. Once you've filled in the details, tap on Create Contact to finalize the process. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new contact in Telegram. You can now easily reach out to the person by finding their name in your contact list. Please note that the contact you create in Telegram will be specific to the app and won't be added to your device's native contacts list. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating contacts in Telegram. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, enjoy staying connected with Telegram.